Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Ford Kuga on an 18 plate. I'm going to firstly start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. And now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see the alloy wheels and bodywork are all in fantastic condition, especially given the vehicle's age. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the middle at the bottom, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 51,346. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that section as well. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons to do that are just here. Below that, we have cruise control and speed limiter. Over on the right-hand side, we have our stereo and phone controls. In the center is where you'll pair up your phone in order that you can use those phone controls.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow those instructions on the screen from there. We can come back out to the home screen where you can access your satellite navigation. A really nice clear color display. It's a very easy system to use. We can come again back out to the home screen. This is where you access your audio options. So you'll see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, a CD player, which is just at the top here, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired your phone, and USB inputs as well. Once you've plugged something in, that will appear up here as a further option for you. There are certain mobile-friendly apps that you can project up onto the screen as well. And we have this settings menu, which you can see just here. Main volume for the stereo is on that section. Below that, we have our dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed, both up and down. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning turned on. Same button will turn it off, of course, or hit auto. The car will then maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. You can override that manually, as I've just done there, and you can put it back on your own settings. This button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. You can also turn your parking sensors on and off from here as well. Of course, pushing the vehicle in reverse will automatically put the parking sensors on and will give you this visual guide for the sensors as well. And you can see there, it's a 6-speed manual gearbox in this car. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork. So we have a V5 registration document. The key that's in this envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. And we then have the service book for the car. So the pre-delivery inspection in 2018, service in 2020, 22, 23 and 24 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you, sir.